ओह,
बैंक्सी।
बैंक्सी।
बैंक्सी। बैंक्सी। अरे सर
बैंक्सी।
हिला रहा है ऐसा है।
हेलो. से
बैंक्सी।
हाय. से हाय टिस फैम. से हाय.
बैंक्सी।
इसकी माँ खड़ी है ना इधर. ये देख,
बैंक्सी।
मम्मी का चमचा है ब्रो.
बैंक्सी,
मम्मी का
व्हाट्स योर
चमचा है.
ओपिनियन ऑन सुप्रीम कोर्ट्स ऑर्डर ऑन स्ट्रे डॉग्स?
ये क्या कर दिया
बैंक्सी।
भाई? मेरे भाई लोग को अंदर जेल में डाल रहे. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, ठीक है? कुछ फैसिलिटी वैसिलिटी नहीं है मेरे भाई लोग के लिए, तो प्लीज उनके साथ ऐसा मत करो. उनको स्टेरिलाइज करो, वैक्सीनेट करो, लेकिन उनको मत. अबे.
वाओ यार।
तूने जैसी स्टेरिलाइजेशन बोला।
यस।
नो कमेंट्स, नो कमेंट्स, नो कमेंट्स फ्रॉम बैंक्सी. ब्रो मैं पूरा छिल गया हूँ, मैं छिल गया हूँ. छिल चुका हूँ मैं. कम हियर. दे आर ऑल आस्किंग फॉर यू. कम हियर बैंक्सी. क्विकली.
आई थिंक ये
Quickly, we'll do the
मस्त।
intro with you. Come
हाँ
here.
चल
Okay,
इंट्रो कर
ready?
ले।
Ready? One. Let's begin the episode in three, two, one. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take random mystery, weird facts, trivia, and personal stories, and we talk about it. And
बे
तू
तू
उसे क्यों काट रहा है
काट
बे?
रहा है उसको। देयर शुड बी लॉज अगेंस्ट दिस।
बाप।
एपिसोड चालू करने के पहले थोड़ा हाइजीन अनाउंसमेंट कर लेते हैं. पहले तो लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब, घंटी बजाओ, भूलो मत. एंड टिकट्स फॉर लाइव टेपिंग ऑफ मार्कसम आर ऑलरेडी लाइव. फर्स्ट जो फेज है उसकी टिकट्स आर ऑलमोस्ट डन. सो प्लीज, इफ यू हैवंट गॉटन योर्स, गेट इट क्विकली. ऑल्सो दैट पोस्टर दैट वी शेयर्ड, राइट, उसमें बीच में से एक
यस।
सिलुएट है और उसके अंदर ऐसे क्वेश्चन मार्क है, ठीक है? दैट मीन्स दैट पर्सन कुड बी यू. दैट इज व्हाट वी ट्राइंग टू कम्युनिकेट. यू ऑल आर गेसिंग हु इज कमिंग. बाबा आ रहा है, ये आ रहा है, वो आ रहा है. किसी ने मुझे मैसेज किया, डेफिनेटली लुक्स लाइक अ गाय इज कमिंग. मींस इट कुड बी
ब्रो,
एनीबॉडी.
पीपल हैव गेस्ड लिविंग सेलिब्रिटीज एंड डेड सेलिब्रिटीज.
डेड सेलिब्रिटीज।
किसी ने लिखा इरफान खान. व्हाई?
हाउ हाउ।
No, so what we're trying to say is that if you would like to be a part of the episode and be on stage with us and tell us your story, the link to send a short write-up of your story is in the pinned comment. तो उधर एक कर दो, अपने को स्टोरी भेजो, और best ones get to be a part of the episode. So
और
with that, let's start.
ठाकुर का यूएस टूर भी है, मेरा लंदन शो भी
Oh
है,
हाँ,
सबका
thank
टिकट
you.
नीचे है भाई लोग, जाओ गो क्लिक बाय टिकट्स।
या हाइजीन में हमेशा थोड़ी ना थोड़ी कमी रह ही जाती है.
यस।
फुल हाइजीन होता ही नहीं
ठाकुर का सैयारा मोमेंट. क्या
है.
भूल गया खुद का ही टूर. ओके.
नहीं तो प्लीज ले लो टिकट
चल,
लाइव. हाँ, चलो
शुड वी
चालू करते
स्टार्ट?
हैं भाई.
बाय द
Should we
वे, आज
start?
यस।
का एपिसोड बहुत मजेदार है. बहुत बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिनके बारे में बात करना है. सो विल स्टार्ट विद दिस वन. ओके. सो एज वी नो, the next installment of the YRF Spy Universe is coming out. And by the time you see this, it will have come out. It is War 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, now, now,
Why did you say it in a Salman voice?
अरे
What?
because
व्हाट टू।
he's part of the universe now. तो मेरे को लगा
या।
उसे सूत्रधार बना दूं. तो um, so basically what happens is there was one insane thing that happened on 6th August, okay, or around 6th August. So now Junior NTR, who's part of this film, very excitingly, he's a huge
Yeah.
star. Okay, he has
Of
fans
course.
all over the world, okay, including in Melbourne, Australia. Now the fans of Junior NTR in Melbourne, Australia got really excited that their hero's next new amazing film War 2 is coming out. So in their excitement, they decided, चल थोड़ा publicity करते हैं भाई लोग. So what they did is they chartered a plane, okay, and they did skywriting. You know, when you write with the plane in the
हाँ.
sky.
Yeah.
Okay, so they have written Junior NTR War 2 in the sky. Okay, now plain and simple, easily explainable to everybody who is a Junior NTR fan. Problem is that in Melbourne, a lot of people are not Junior NTR fans. And they have looked up into the sky and they have seen War 2
JRNTR War
and then
2.
War 2.
That's all.
And panic has started in Melbourne because people are like, this is some code. There is a war starting.
No, and they must be confused, na ki, mate, I thought like World War II was done. Like, have they started it back again? Which side are we on? What the
This
hell is
news पहुंची नहीं हम लोग तक
JRNTR?
अभी तक.
So it's
Oh shit.
Dude,
this
I'm
is
scared
not
of
a-
like बच्चे लोग वहां पे पढ़ रहे हैं न्यूज में ये सब अरे यार ये सब बहुत खराब चल रहा है एटलीस्ट वी आर सेफ इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड सडनली यू जस्ट सी वॉर टू
But what a way that would be to declare war, na?
फक
बट ऐसे ही करते थे ना पहले, वार्निंग ऐसे देते थे ऊपर से, देखो वो ये फेंक
अबे
के ना।
लिख के नहीं बोल रहे थे ऐसे ब्लिट्स क्रीग ऐसा लिख के
नहीं,
नहीं
देखो अगर वार्निंग देना हो तो उन लोग देते थे ना, ऐसे पैम्फलेट ऊपर से गिराते थे प्लेन से कि भाई
हाँ
निकल जाओ, इधर हम लोग बॉम्ब फोड़ने वाले, ब्लिट्स
बट
क्रीग।
अरे but these guys did it during World War II. So American troops used to shower condoms on the Soviet soldiers. But the thing was,
Why are they
they used to
shouting?
just shower condoms. So what? Why? Because the condoms were basically extra large condoms, but packet पे लिखा होता था medium.
Or to tell them ki
Yeah, just
on
to
average.
make them feel emasculated. Yeah,
Oh,
कि इन
wow.
लोग का yeah हम लोग ये extra large तुम लोग का हमारा average है.
By the way, I must say, okay, for whatever like panic happened, sure. But असली fandom तो ये है भाई. Like
Yeah.
I hope one day the podcast becomes big enough कि कोई जाके मेलबर्न पे लिखे टिस वॉर
टिस आर्मी, टिस
टिस
आर्मी,
आर्मी
और फिर वापस पब्लिक, mate, what, it was World War II first, now there's an army coming, what the fuck is going on? No, they're टिस fans, sir, don't worry mate, all right mate.
Dude,
अभी
बेचारे लोग
सब ऑस्ट्रेलिया उठ के पहले देखते हैं आज क्या हो रहा है इधर, आज तो कुछ नहीं, वॉर नहीं है ना, चलो लेट्स गो टू वर्क, आइए
Yeah.
क्रोकोडाइल डंडी।
ये लोग फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स के पीछे पड़े थे ये लोग पूरा आर्मी लेके आ गए यहाँ पे
बाय द वे वॉर 2 का ट्रेलर देखा कि नहीं?
Oh yes.
क्या
Yes.
लगा, वन वर्ड, क्योंकि पिक्चर नहीं देखी अभी तक, बाय द टाइम
I don't know if it's one word or two words, but green screen.
ब्रो, वायरस स्पाई यूनिवर्स यशराज स्टूडियो से निकल रहा ही नहीं है।
Right.
पहले ग्रीन स्क्रीन पे शाहरुख ऐसे ट्रेन पे होता है, ठीक है, वो जाता है, अगले शिफ्ट में सलमान प्लेन पे होता है, वो निकलता है, उसके बाद ऋतिक गाड़ी पे, और फिर अगर टाइम बच गया तो अजय देवगन आके दुबा के श्रीकर, सब एक ही होता है। आज क्या कर रहे हैं? आज वॉर 2, अच्छा आज क्या, आज पठान
अच्छा
2 दोपहर को, ओके, और फिर टाइगर
बगल
4,
बगल वाले
अच्छा।
रूम में हाँ
Then okay, now we have another movie related piece of news. Okay, so
अरे बट ये वॉर 2 का तुम लोग ने ये सुना है क्या द सेंसर बोर्ड with
oh yeah, sorry, yes.
so the censor board has basically decided कि uh, the Kiara Advani's bikini has to be cut and I'm thinking guys bikini already इतना छोटा आता है तुम काटोगे तो बचेगा क्या why are you doing the censor board aren't you
if
supposed
only
to
they had a sense of humor, राइट, कि सेंसर बोर्ड ने ये किया है और फिर प्रोडक्शन ने लिटिल बिकिनी कम करके वापस भेजा है, और सेंसर बोर्ड अभी बोला यस अप्रूव्ड, यस यू आर राइट,
अरे
गुड
सर
फीडबैक,
by the way,
ओके और
by
इसको
the way,
बढ़ाओ थोड़ा और इसका टाइम बढ़ाओ रन टाइम देख सर इतना ही शॉर्ट्स थे अरे नहीं बढ़ाओ और रिपीट
by the way, the spy universe, okay, it has two things in common. Spy and every film gets caught in some kind of bikini censor board scandal. Because
Yeah,
with
Pathaan भी
Pathaan
था,
also, they
हाँ,
had to they had to like literally change the color of her bikini before it
Yeah.
was released. And
but
by
do you think they're doing it on purpose now? This is a PR strategy. Anything that is successful previously is like, okay, how do we repeat this and get free publicity?
by the way, talking about the spy universe, किसी ने बहुत funny tweet लिखा था कि ये लोग स्पाईगिरी करते ही नहीं है ना ये स्पाई
जाके मार रहे या फिर गाना गा रहे
बट उसका वही है, पहले एक कुछ इनका रॉ का ये, उसमें मेजर लूथरा वो आएगा, अरे कुछ तो गोची हो गया, एक अपना एक्स रॉ एजेंट है वो वापस आ गया बिकॉज ही इज गॉन नाउ, ही इज बैड एजेंट, ओके, उसको एक ही आदमी बचा सकता है या मार सकता है, और वो है अपना ऋतिक स्लैश शाहरुख स्लैश ये। फिर उसके बाद थोड़े टाइम के लिए एक तो कोई हमारे पास आईएसआई की एजेंट हो सकती है या फिर रॉ एजेंट हो सकती है, यू नेवर नो, इट्स अ सरप्राइज इन एवरी मूवी,
डबल एजेंट
क्यों ना, लेट्स फाइंड आउट विद अ सॉन्ग सीक्वेंस इन सम फ्रेंच, कॉर्सिका, स्लोवाकिया, स्पेन, उधर जाके थोड़ा डांस, बिकिनी, सेंसर बोर्ड, सेंसर बोर्ड काटो, इसको कलर चेंज करो, ओके फाइन।
Can you imagine the morale, like what hit must it be taking for real spies who go and watch the Yash Raj Spy Universe and then they're like, bro, fuck, मैंने तो लाइफ
हमारा
में
कुछ
एक डांस नहीं
I
किया,
don't know
एक
आई
डांस
डोंट नो
भी
यार, तुम लोग का कुछ अलग जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन था क्या? हम लोग का ये पता, ये बोला नहीं था हम लोग को ये होएगा। दिस
तू
इज व्हाई आई
स्पेन गया है?
जॉइंड रॉ
तू
एक्चुअली।
तू स्पेन गया डांस करने कभी नहीं? तो साला ये स्पेन जाकर डांस कर रहा है बार बार, और सब स्पेन ही जा रहे हैं।
So, by the way, the speaking of the censor board, very infamously, dude, when Oppenheimer released in India,
Oh
so
shit,
there was one scene where Florence Pugh and
Cillian Murphy
Cillian Murphy,
किलियन मर्फी, हाँ।
Oppenheimer,
and
Florence
Oppenheimer.
Pugh and Oppenheimer.
इतना इतना मेथड
दैट्स हाउ
एक्टिंग
यू
किया
नो इतना
किलियन
अच्छा
मूवी।
किया इसने, क्या काम किया। यू फॉरगॉट द एक्टर्स
अभी
नेम।
अभी जब पीकी ब्लाइंडर्स मूवी आ रही है तो पीकी ब्लाइंडर्स में टॉम शेल्बी
ओपेनहाइमर।
प्लेड बाय जे रॉबर्ट ओपेनहाइमर। सब लोग बोले वाह, ओपेनहाइमर फिजिसिस्ट के साथ एक्टर भी काफी अच्छा है, मतलब
काफी
मेंटेन
डेंजरस
किया
आदमी है यार ओपेनहाइमर।
है। ये किलियन मर्फी ओपेनहाइमर। दिस इज कैमरा। उसने वो इतना, और वो केल हुआ क्योंकि किलियन मर्फी की आंखें बहुत खूबसूरत है, मस्त
या
नीली आंखें उसकी, और वो ऐसा हाथ को देख रहा है,
I,
और
I
इसने
love
आई
how
मैक्स लेकर के डाल दिया इसके मुंह पे,
I
और
love
6 मिनट
how
के लिए इधर ही रखना।
Thakur has reduced all the nuance and subtlety of Cillian Murphy's acting to उसकी
जस्ट
आंखें बहुत
आग
खूबसूरत
बंद
है।
कर, आग बड़ा करके एक्टिंग कर।
So anyway, so when the censor board saw Florence Pugh and Cillian Murphy in one of the shots, in one of the scenes, they were sitting naked, okay, talking to each other on two sofas. So they said, of course, we cannot pass this nakedness into the public. So they said, fuck, kya kare? So their solution was they painted a dress onto Florence Pugh. They put a black dress on her. So there was some guy who had spent many man hours literally just painting that goddamn dress.
Bro, but if you see the one that I saw later on this, usme they've kept the scene as is, where she's sitting in a specific way like you would after sex. You would not have sex, then go wear a dress and then sit. And by the way, उसमें किलियन मर्फी भी नंगा है, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो नहीं है, तो उसको कुछ ऐसे सामने से कवर अवर कुछ
उसका
करके
बरमूडा,
डाल दिया।
उसका बरमूडा बन रहा है।
Imagine,
कैप्री, इसमें कैप्री अच्छा लगेगा। कैप्री कैप्री डाल दे।
dude, there must have been multiple rounds of feedback on that also, ना कि यार ये ड्रेस अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, थोड़ा नाइटी जैसा बना नाइटी. So, okay, anyway, moving on to the next movie related news. Okay, this is again a horrifying thing that has happened. Truly horrifying. We don't know the implications of this going forward, but here it is. So, AI is here, and
Yeah, and
AI is
Sonam
messing
Kapoor is out of the job.
close. So, AI is here, and it's changing everything very rapidly, including the movie business. So, what happened is that the movie Ranjana, okay, which released in 2013, was re-released. Okay, it's Tamil
अभी
version. Correct. Right now is literally we are in the era of peak re-release. So Ranjana was re-released in Tamil. Okay, in Tamil Nadu. Now, Eros International, who owns the rights to Ranjana, they basically decided to do something very, very, very freaky and dystopian. Okay, they decided to change the end of Ranjana using AI. Okay, so at the end of Ranjana, by the way, spoiler alert, in case you were waiting for the re-release to first time watch it, skip this part because here's what happens at the end of Ranjana. Dhanush dies.
oh
Okay, so what they did in
shit.
this version was
Guys, spoilers. In
बोल
case.
दिया बोल दिया बोल दिया बोल दिया.
Wait, Dhanush died. So now shit, a movie
Oh,
that I
no.
wasn't going to watch.
Now it's too
Oh
late.
no. What do
I
we do?
definitely won't watch it.
So Dhanush dies. Okay, now what happens is that in Tamil Nadu, when they re-released it, so it basically you see a shot of him laying dead on a hospital. Okay. What they did in this version was that using AI, they opened his eyes. Opened his eyes.
So wait, he's dead. So now he's dead with his eyes open.
No, they brought him back to life.
ये गैंडल्फ सोता है और
अरे
धनुष मरता
ये
है आग खोल के।
धनुष तो मरा है कि जिंदा? ये आग बंद नहीं हो सकती। सॉरी सर, एआई को हमने ऑलरेडी प्रॉम्प्ट दे दिया है। बट वो सिर्फ आंख खुलती है फिर अंडरटेकर जैसे खड़े हो जाता है कि
there's one shot of him getting up also. So they basically like, I mean, at this point, they have created a fake Dhanush, a fake Frankenstein Dhanush
Yeah.
using AI, and they've changed the movie fundamentally. Now you would imagine that, you know, the crowd, like people would not like this, but footage
Yeah.
from one of the theaters got leaked. Okay, so the minute Dhanush opens his eyes, crowd goes wild. Okay, they're like, "Oh,
Also-
Dhanush is alive." Okay, completely fucks the whole story that was created.
So now what is next? Bazigar. I think if anything, just Bazigar में वो मर रहा है और फिर just ruin all the good endings of movies where the lead character dies and just like अच्छा चलो they've started small ना, they started with a movie where I don't really care if this
In-
guy's dead, but
in-
Bazigar I want him to be dead.
They use AI to reverse the cirrhosis that Devdas has. So then he comes back.
कल हो ना हो मैं शाहरुख खान मर रहा है नहीं मैं वापस आ गया सॉरी
फिर
सैफ अली खान
फिर वापस उठ जाता प्रीटी वुमन देखो देखो ना। अबे ये जिंदा कैसे हो गया यार? अबे चुप। अरे
अबे
7 दिन
कुछ
लड़की
होता है कुछ होता है रानी मुखर्जी doesn't die so he gets married to Kajol and she comes back.
No, she goes back. He pataus Kajol. He breaks her shadi with Salman. He's about to get married to Kajol when Rani Mukherjee
Yeah.
comes back.
She just
Like,
shows
bitch,
up.
please, that's my husband. और उधर अंजलि जो बेटी है वो रो रही है कि एक मिनट यार मैं तो कंफ्यूज हो गई मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा ट्रॉमा है अभी मेरी
Then
मरी
she's
हुई
like,
माँ।
मम्मी आपने वो लेटर्स क्यों लिखे मुझे if you were not dead.
और फिर एआई से देखा अरे लेटर मैंने तो लेटर ही नहीं लिखे थे क्या बात कर रहा है।
Chat GPT.
और उधर देखा शाहरुख खान बैठ के लेटर लिख रहा है वो मैंने लेटर लिखे थे क्योंकि मुझे तुम्हारा परमिशन चाहिए था।
Oh man.
कुछ भी नहीं
Oh,
होता
by the
है।
way, please
कुछ भी
comment.
नहीं होता।
I think no, the letters were written by Salman because Salman actually doesn't ever want to get married. So Bhai has written the letters. It's like अरे यार ये शादी करनी पड़ रही है what do I do? अरे इसका कॉलेज में एक था चलो उसकी बेटी को मैं लेटर लिखता हूँ.
But please write in the comments which film do you think would be like amazingly improved by the use of AI. One tweak that AI can do
Yeah.
massively improve a movie.
कि अभी डीडीएलजे में वो जा रही है हाथ देने के लिए लेकिन ट्रेन की स्पीड बढ़ा दी है ऐसे और वो चलते चलते रह गई
तो पकड़ा ही नहीं.
तो पकड़ा ही नहीं अभी ये बिना टिकट किए शाहरुख यूरोप में मजे कर रहा है परमित सेठी के साथ शादी हो गई फिर अपने को मजा नहीं आया थोड़ा पिक्चर में मराठा मंदिर में दो
घर आ
लोग
गए
बैठे
परदेसी तेरा
दिल वाले दुल्हनिया
राज
रह
गया
जाएंगे.
है रे. हाँ,
हाँ?
दिल वाले.
दिल वाले दुल्हनिया रह जाएंगे. Okay, so by the way, I do want to talk to you guys about like the future of filmmaking and all of this stuff, all the
Bro,
creative.
I was going to tell you, you know, when you sign contracts, right? If you're doing a show, film and all nowadays, apparently उसके अंदर एक आजकल आ गया where like while signing, you have to just make sure that it doesn't go in the contract is rights to your likeness. तो तूने कोई शो कर दिया फिर पब्लिक बोला अभी इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है तो वैसे भी रोल नहीं मिल रहे अभी सिर्फ थोबड़ा लेके मैं मेरे पास
कुछ भी.
IMDb पे 200 पिक्चर है क्योंकि मैंने एक बार साइन कर दिया मतलब 200 पिक्चर मुझे इसका एक भी पैसा नहीं आया लेकिन मेरे क्रेडिट्स 200 पिक्चर्स क्योंकि मैं अपना लाइकनेस साइन ऑफ कर दिया
200 पिक्चर में हे यार ये
सब अलग अलग कर रहा हूँ और वो मैं नहीं
people
हूँ
extras have started complaining ना तो जैसे crowd out के shots होते हैं that they use special effects and a lot of times it's like 50 extras and those 50 extras are repeated over and over again in chunks and like randomized format to make it a 2000 crowd in that one shot. So if you've gone once on a film set तेरे को वो दिन का पैसा मेरे को these guys are day workers. So अगर तूने वो किया है a lot of times they just call these people for one day's work and scan them and then they use them for the rest of the film.
हाँ दे स्कैम करेक्ट और फिर आ रहे ब्रो हम लोग ने जब शैतान शूट किया था ना तो वैसे मैंने लास्ट में एनविजन किया था कि ऐसे फाइनल वाले इसमें ना सब व्हेन द डेड कम टू लाइफ तो ऐसे बड़ा वाला होगा बहुत सारे zombies होंगे लेकिन फिर एक बजट नाम की चीज होती है ठीक है तो उसमें नहीं है थे तो मेरे को मिले 35 लोग मिले थे एक रात की शिफ्ट के लिए और हमको दिखा रहा था बहुत है ब्रो हम लोग ने एक आदमी को ज़ॉम्बी बनाया ना फिर उसका थोड़ा मेकअप चेंज करके दूसरे साइड से तू अभी अलग ज़ॉम्बी है तो वो अलग वे में कर रहा था
You did makeup on the front of the face and back. तो it's like अच्छा तेरा अभी
No,
shot
no,
अब तो घूम जा.
I took one guy, but then gave him 3 different looks and then you shot them in such a way that it looks like there's a
भरा हुआ है.
lot of them या भरा हुआ है, but है वही 35 लोग को भगा रहे हैं हम लोग
You know,
डबल शिफ्ट करा के.
the challenges of AI are very apparent, right? It's very, very apparent what like dystopian shit like this Ranjana. By the way, just to kind of also tell you a few more details about Ranjana. So obviously Anand L. Rai, the director of the movie, came out and put a statement saying extremely disappointed because they didn't consult. Because
That's what I thought. Like, did they get the sign off from the director?
No,
Did they
no,
get sign
no,
off from
no.
Dhanush?
Exactly. So Dhanush also put a statement out saying that
Why this cola very ready?
इसका लंबा स्टेटमेंट का the condensation
And
is
उसके वो स्टेटमेंट के एंड में लिखा है written by ChatGPT.
नहीं so
Would you like me to do this as a press release?
Would you like to sound more like a human being?
किसी ने बहुत फनी एक चीज लिखा था. I forget the person who wrote it. Very funny it was कि even in the re-release Dhanush doesn't want to be with Sonam. So
No, but so wait, he opens his eyes and then what happens? But it Finn.
but that's the thing. It's so clunky because basically what happens is at the end of the movie, Sonam is standing like in the hospital above Dhanush's body, right? She's like, sad that he's dead. Now what happens in the re-release is that उसका आँख खुलता है, वो उड़ जाता है, but Sonam is nowhere to be seen. वो कहाँ जाता है, क्या करता है, no idea.
Ranjana too.
It's very weird. Yeah, like
But isn't he a stalker or something in this movie? If I'm
Yeah.
not mistaken, ऐसे कुछ तो एक मैंने सुना था.
they
So
basically
in the end, she just has pity on him because he's dead. बस उसके बाद
it's a
कुछ
it's
नहीं.
a tragic love story, and the thing
Yeah.
is that the point of this is that they've not asked the filmmakers who conceptualized it, who shot it, and you spend not just months, you spend years of your life trying to create something in your distinct vision and worldview. And then now retrospectively people can just chop and like earlier production houses used to do this thing where they used to basically have editing rights, right? So they would say ki listen, tera hai 3 घंटे का masterpiece but we want it in 90 minutes flat. So then they would chop, change, remove, excise stuff, and then you would have this other thing called the director's cut, where the director's vision would be fully restored into one DVD which you could buy, right? Which became most famous with the Snyder cut.
Snyder cut.
Now, that was still footage that they were playing with, right? Existing footage. Now
you're creating something new.
कुछ भी कर सकता है. Now the implications for all of this is obviously horrifying. The only क्या बोलते हैं, one of the sort of like the positives in this is that, say for example, like the filmmakers who have less resources, like what you were saying, ना ठाकुर कि देख अपने पास बजट नहीं था, हम लोग को स्केल चाहिए था. Now इन जैसे filmmakers के लिए AI could be amazing and we could see a whole new burst of creativity, but it remains to be seen whether we'll go down Black Mirror or we'll go down some
Black Mirror 100% bhai.
happier future.
Always. That is, if between cynical and positive and optimistic, I think cynical is always the way to go.
Correct.
I'm very scared.
Now, one other thing I have to tell you about is that we are also in the era of fully AI generated movies. Okay, so there are a lot of small production houses that have decided we are fully betting, we are going all in on AI positive movies. कि अपन fuck like opening Dhanush's eyes. Why don't we just replace Dhanush only? Okay, with full AI. So अभी 2 movies आने वाली है. One is called Maharaja in Denims. Okay, trailer dropped where it's basically it's fully automated, fully generated essentially, and like this is the future essentially. Do you think so? The question I want to ask both of you is, do you think we'll have an audience for fully AI movies?
Yeah, there will be. I think
yeah.
Your actual filmmakers making films will become your organic food.
Artisanal product.
Artisanal वो हो जाएगा. Sourdough. अपन sourdough होंगे और AI will become Vibs bread. वैसा है कि Vibs bread भी खाने में तो अच्छा है और अगर घर पे होगा तो बटर लगा के तो खा तो लूंगा. लेकिन sourdough भी खाने का मन है. वैसा. So I think it will become that because you can't run away from it. It is there.
It is
It
there.
is there. Some people have integrity. नहीं मैं फिल्म ऐसा करेगा वैसा करेगा. Some people are like fuck it. मैं
And
आइडिया लिखता हूँ मैं.
No,
I've
so
seen.
what has happened is there is a Netflix equivalent that is coming up, which is the imagine a Netflix, except जब तू search bar में जाता है, you go, sometimes you just like sometimes you just search on Google na, what is this movie with
Yeah.
Keanu Reeves where he is in bus and trying to stop bomb in bus from whatever blowing up. You can literally go,
Speed
I
डालू कि
want to
सादा?
watch a movie. I want to watch a movie with Keanu Reeves on a plane trying to stop a bomb, and it'll generate that movie for you with Keanu Reeves.
Correct.
Wait,
So
so
right
it
now
won't.
they're working with cartoons. They're
Oh,
working with cartoons right now, and they're working with animation. So literally, then it starts understanding what you're looking for with your prompts to get you an entire 2 hour story, and then it will slowly start generating stuff for you. That for you tab will be like, okay, these are movies that we just generated for you that
Bro,
you
I,
might be
I I
interested in.
agree.
oh,
I think the future is going to be there's going to be one version of movies called personalized movies or movies with
Hmm.
personalization. Okay, Jidar to actually like you can like there'll be like just think of these use cases, right? Where there is one heartbroken boy who's like, make me movie where me and Neha are now together again. And he
Yeah.
puts
अच्छा.
his photo and his ex-girlfriend's photo, and then they make a movie where it's Sayyara
Oh,
but with his face.
तो
And
for you मतलब तेरा ही likeness.
तेरा ही
I
likeness.
doubt वो level पे नहीं, because then it'll become like, because the problem is once something like that starts, it very easily goes into
It
porn.
will crash. It will crash
Immediately.
so fast.
Immediately. Yeah.
Because when you say my personalized movie ऐसा बना जिसमें तू कुछ भी लिख सकता पिक्चर बना देगा. Okay, so make
हाँ.
movie with me and Kiara Advani and the
Yes.
movie
Yeah.
is a spy
Because वो
thriller.
नेहा नहीं रहेगी तभी, वो तभी नेहा नहीं रहेगी. Make me a movie with me and Scarlett Johansson where Neha is jealous that
Sydney
Scarlett Johansson
Sweeney.
likes me.
Correct.
And that it will take, I think, about 7 minutes for this to fall into porn. It
Yeah,
will
that's what.
it will
Immediate.
literally
Padak.
Scarlett Johansson फिर तू ऐसे एंड में कोई लिख देगा हॉट ऐसे मी स्कारलेट जॉहानसन हॉट पिक्चर बन गई कुछ और ही ये भाई एआई एंड ठरक जब भी मिल जाएगा ना बहुत खराब हो जाएगा भाई
Yeah, yeah.
तो
It's
वो
already
नहीं
happening. It's already happening, by the way. But it's it's going to
हाँ.
accelerate. And I think, and I do think so. One is that kind of personalization where it's you in the movie. The second kind of personalization would be where you're watching a movie. Now, think about how many times, okay, how many times we ourselves have cribbed about certain movies, right? कि अरे वो सब ठीक चल रहा था एक्सेप्ट ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, अरे वो एक्टर को नहीं आना चाहिए था, अरे इसको लाना चाहिए था, अरे एंड में ये करना चाहिए था. Now, imagine every single person who watches a film has their own opinion on it. Now, imagine if you can actually mold each film to fit your version of it.
भाई
Okay,
ये
so
You are
then
the
how do I
director.
take Singham 4
Yes,
and try to give it a good script?
that is now
Just
up to
guys,
between
just change the whole film.
it
between
is
you.
still
Okay,
subjective.
okay, Singham 4, but directed and written by Christopher Nolan.
Oh,
That is the Singham
correct,
I want to
correct,
watch.
correct. So basically, yeah, this is it's we're going into one very very wild future.
Bro, I read an interview with Sam Altman जब भी उसने बोला है that all the searches that you have with your chat GPT अभी chat GPT literally बाजू में है right तो anything इतना stupid से stupid ऐसे बोल दे और आ जाता है जवाब फट करके ठीक है all your chats and all your prompts and all your this from chat GPT can be used as evidence apparently
What? In
हाँ
court, in case there's a case.
yeah
Oh, but can you imagine
So
how
suppose
tough it
you
must be?
rando, अच्छा suppose हम लोग podcast कर रहे हैं and we're doing a true crime podcast. See, every time we do a podcast, my entire search algorithm gets screwed up. Now
Yeah.
I'm doing a true crime podcast and I have to research like, can a human being cut human body in this many pieces? जो भी अब ये सब जो मैंने डाला है, and then I'm searching for some guy who's threatened with a bomb.
अभी
Now I'm
यार
doing a
अगर
podcast and I'm doing research.
you
अभी
better
मैं डर
hope
गया हूँ.
you
Yeah.
better hope that podcast has released because because but think about this now, guys. Like You know, the implication of that is crazy, which means that there's going to be an Inspector Patel who will have to subpoena ChatGPT.
ए बता
वो-
तो वहां
वो
पे
तो जाके
थर्ड
"ए,
डिग्री
पाटिल साहब ये ले सब पीना है हाँ सब
नहीं
पीने वाले नहीं नहीं पीना नहीं है सब पीना नहीं है नहीं नहीं सब पीना है
केस
चैट
के बाद
जीपीटी का
केस के बाद अरे
हाँ
खत्म होने के बाद
पहले केस हो गया उसको जेल में डाला फिर सब बैठ के पियेंगे सर
One
सब
second. If suppose there is a higher level tier which has like okay you have ChatGPT but then there's ChatGPT plus where you have end-to-end encryption level कि अरे वरुण ने कुछ सर्च किया तो वरुण का नहीं मिलेगा लेकिन पाटिल साहब को सर्च करने का है तो भाई कंप्यूटर लाके कंप्यूटर को थर्ड डिग्री बता बता वरुण ने क्या सर्च किया था
ChatGPT. साले
you look agitated would you like me to
अबे तेरा
recommend
एंड टू एंड निकालता हूँ मैं तेरा
end-to-end encrypted बता
मशीन अनलर्निंग हो जाएगा ब्रो.
अरे चैट जीपीटी बन जाएगा GPATIL चैट जी पटेल अरे
But
क्या सर्च
God.
करते हैं
But
Oh,
guys,
by
हम लोग we are just constantly talking about bad shit with AI, but there's something good. There is
Oh.
a startup that has come in called Minus Zero, and
minus
these
zero.
guys, yeah, so they create self-driving. They are creating the entire क्या बोलते हैं the firmware for self-driving cars.
But isn't it there already?
No,
isn't it
but
called Google
India.
Maps
No,
No, it's
for
called
India.
Tesla. Oh, for India.
It's called India. So now it is recognizing like signals which don't have perfect lines there. It knows क्या हो रहा है. It
Oh,
understands when a cow has come in. It understands when a guy like
wow
motorbike wala can cut you at any time. And
अरे एक मिनट
it is
but you
running
said
with a
it
pretty
can
good
already
yeah.
it can already recognize cow and guy
Yeah, अच्छा, good. Guys. But the special feature I think would be like it gives you prompts. Like अगर किसी ने तेरे को cut किया, you what galis you can give. So it will roll down your window and the prompts will come in. तुमको क्या गाली देने का इसको
but
based
एक
on the
मिनट
person's
who's
appearance.
this India is there a company or is it the
Yeah, it's
minus
called
zero.
minus zero. It's called minus zero.
so
No, yeah,
this is going to be
but
put
this
in
is
all
true.
the
Yeah, so they're
cars
trying
with
to create हाँ the India में जो भी आएगा they're actually because the self-driving thing जो भी Tesla वेस्ला का है cannot work in India. Somebody has to come up with
Uniquely
like it
Indian
has to be
problem
an
है.
Indian. Yeah,
Uniquely
it
Indian.
has
Because
to be
like
an Indian who comes up with it.
I would love
अबे
to have.
टेस्ला पॉटहोल के सामने आके रुक जाएगा बोलेगा लेक अहेड कैन नॉट एंटर और तू बोले अबे लेक नहीं है भाई वो पॉटहोल है वो भरा नहीं है अभी तक लेक अहेड कैन नॉट मूव लेक
ये
अहेड
आई थिंक ये सेल्फ
कैन नॉट
ड्राइविंग वाला
मूव
क्या आएगा वो जो स्पीड ब्रेकर होता है ना जिसमें जिसमें स्पीड ब्रेकर वो है लेकिन स्पीड ब्रेकर में एक सेक्शन है जहां पे अगर तुम गाड़ी चलाओगे तो योर कार वोंट टच द स्पीड ब्रेकर स्पीड ब्रेकर 2 पॉइंट पर टूट गया तो एआई विल नो वेयर टू टेक इट फ्रॉम ओवर दैट स्पीड ब्रेकर
Ah,
दैट इज
then
अ
then
ट्रू
then there's that
या
also. Your AI has to recognize that when a man comes and does this in front of your car,
या
या
it means that you have to stop because
या
dude is going to walk now.
रुक जाएगा वार्निंग मैग्नेटो हेड विल मूव कार विद मैग्नेटिक फोर्स फ्रॉम हिज पाम क्या ये ब्रो लेकिन एक मिनट तो ये उन्होंने जब भी किया है हैज दिस ऑलरेडी बीन पुट इन एनीथिंग कि अभी
Yeah,
तक
it's been tested. Yeah, it's been tested. Like if I like I can actually show you a video of this guy, this creator who's actually gone and checked it out. And it's pretty legit. Like ये drive कर रही है गाड़ी and like
Oh,
लोग
fuck.
वोग जा रहे हैं side में
That is
and it's
dangerous.
recognizing the distance. It's keeping the same distance between the next car and like वो लोग वो कटवट कर रहे हैं and it's perfectly fine.
एक
Bro, you
मिनट
know
ये क्या
something, by the way,
ये
I genuinely think here's what I would like for things to happen. I
Hmm.
think if every car in India became self-driving, I think the traffic situation will improve tremendously. I think
Yeah,
people are the problem. Like
of
just
course.
give it up to the computer, bro. Let them figure it out. क्योंकि we've tried it. अपन से नहीं हो रहा है. Right? Guy is showing left indicator turning right. Guy is in full left lane and then wants to take right turn. Then
yeah
like नहीं हो रहा
by
है.
just showing his hand like this. He shows
Yeah.
his hand on a highway where cars are doing 70, 80. He's going from right lane to left lane by just showing his hand कि मैं अभी
Yeah.
तेरा प्रॉब्लम हूँ
हाँ.
मैं मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं हूँ
ये
तू
देखिए
मुझे
देखिए बंदा
संभाल
कट किया उसको गाड़ी रोक गया द बाइक गाय
but
एक्चुअली कट
also
हिम
but
गली वाली में
also
से निकाल रहे
other imagine if this car is that careful, it cannot drive. By definition, it cannot drive in India. क्योंकि at
नहीं तो ऐसा
every 3
वो भी कर
seconds
रहा
there's
है
somebody
स्लो स्लो
violating you.
नहीं बट स्लो इट्स डूइंग लाइक वियर्ड स्टफ लाइक इट्स गोइंग स्लो आल्सो लाइक धीरे धीरे भी निकालता है वो जो हम लोग ऐसे
I
हल्का कट मारते हैं ना
No,
no,
but
I'm
the
sure.
point
अरे
is,
सीधा गाय में घुस रहा है
ये देख
भाई.
गाय
ए,
गाय पे
shit.
रुक गया
bro, but that's my
Warning,
point. My
forest
point
area.
is, my point is
कितने
that,
गाय कितने गाय.
bro, my
They
point
had
ये
to
देख
go
भाजी वाला
find.
दे
my,
टेस्टेड ऑन एवरीथिंग भाजी वाला आ गया है
But
टमाटर वाला आ गया है
testing is on point, bro. Testing is on point. सब ये actually
तो
होने वाला.
no,
one
but
thing you can say this company is committed I can say minus
here's
zero
the
is
other thing.
committed
Here's the other thing that your self-driving car has to figure out. There will be at some point there will be a horrible traffic jam because everybody has decided to go at the same time. Now, in this
yeah
horrible traffic jam, there will always be one guy who decides that now I am traffic police. Now,
hmm.
your AI car has to recognize that guy as the authority, and when that guy
Yeah.
does this, your AI car has to move. So, will
Yeah,
your
but
AI car be able to figure it out?
वो तेरा एक होगा
हाँ
उसको हेल्प करने के लिए तेरे अंदर फीलिंग आ जाएगी तू भी जाएगा फिर तेरे को मालूम है ना एक टाइम पे 4-5 लोग होते हैं और सबका एक मैक्सिकन स्टैंड ऑफ चालू है एंड नाउ दे आर द ह्यूमन रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ हाउ द लॉग जैम इज सब लोग करेक्ट पॉइंट नहीं जाता है कोई नहीं ब्रो मैं ना उस दिन जा रहा
It's an art installation.
था या ऐसे 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 खड़े ऊपर से किसी ने ड्रोन फोटो ले लिया एक द ह्यूमन ट्रैफिक ऐसे कुछ तो बाय द वे तो मैंने वो बोला मैं उसे अपने कजिन को छोड़ने गया ठीक है तो उसका घर है दादर के वहां पर और एक लेफ्ट ले रहे थे हम लोग तो सामने एक सिग्नल है ठीक है वो सिग्नल इज रेड ठीक है एंड ग्रीन एंड येलो एट वंस ब्रो आई एम नॉट किडिंग बाय द टाइम आई कुड टेक द वीडियो हम लोग आगे निकल गए थे ब्रो लिटरली उधर तीनों लाइट चालू है
Thakur, this is
और
the literal definition. This is a
ये
literal
वो
definition
सलमान
of
खान
of mixed signals.
मिक्स है
I'm getting
I
annoyed.
think all three lights lit up with Salman Khan just saying, do whatever you
Whatever
want,
you
guys.
want.
Just
no, not only are all the three lights on, there is also तेरे ट्रैफिक कैमरास जो तेरे को फाइन करेंगे अगर तू क्रॉस करेगा तो उधर सब लोग एक एग्जिस्टेंशियल क्राइसिस में है कि क्या मैं जाऊं नहीं जाऊं रुक जाऊं गया तो फाइन लगेगा क्या और गया तो फाइन नहीं भी लग सकता ट्राई करूं कि नहीं श्रोडिंगर सिग्नल है वो
Okay. All right. Are we ready to talk about the next thing?
नो
Because I think you'll need a break after this one. So,
oh, okay.
ready? Here's the headline. Swedish company offers 30-minute masturbation break to its employees. Founder explains it relieves stress and agitation.
चलो स्वीडन ये क्या कंपनी है एस्ट्रोनॉमर
क्या
to clarify,
person who takes the most amount of breaks gets a free ticket for him to Coldplay concert.
to foreplay concert. So to clarify, this is an adult movie company. Okay, it's Erika Lust Films.
oh wow
Oh,
reputed Fortune 500
Yes.
company Erika Lust
Yes.
Films
So after the founder of the company, Erika Lust,
Hmm.
when she noticed that her employees were struggling and were stressed, she decided to employ.
one second please Erika Lust signify when you say our
But ये
employees you mean the porn stars right
No,
and
No, the
the
people. No, I think the editors.
There are so
It's
many
just
people
imagine.
in the company.
Yeah, it's just what if
So-
imagine if you're editing porn and that's like the bad case just that's
No,
causing
but-
them frustration.
It raises so many questions, right? So many
it
questions.
raises more than questions
Yeah.
At this company, everyone is working hard.
Yeah.
But the question is, do you use the company laptop or?
अरे
but why are they giving a half an hour break bro
That's true.
in
हाँ.
my आधा घंटा क्यों चाहिए मतलब
I'll tell you
25
हाँ.
because 25 minutes to find the video and 5
हाँ वैसे it's that whole problem ना तो Netflix पे है क्या क्या देखो
Netflix
आज
में
मूड
क्या
क्या हो
देख
रहा
रहा है
है
भाई?
एक मिनट देखो आधे
अरे
घंटे
नहीं,
का
but it's
मास्टरबेशन
like
ब्रेक
the
मिल रहा तू
Netflix
जाकर
problem.
नेटफ्लिक्स देख रहा है अच्छा
अबे Netflix नहीं you're thinking कि क्या कैटेगरी ये वो what
I'm
do I look
wondering,
for they made it
Other is getting half an hour break Netflix पे जाके देखता थोड़ा मास्टरबेशन के लिए आधे घंटे के लिए
You think people will start using the masturbation break for something else? Suppose like अरे कोई मैच चल रहा है, it's like and then like अरे मेरे को masturbation break के लिए जाना है और बैठ के ऐसे मैच देख रहा है आधा घंटा मैं मैच देखता हूँ कोई.
And then that's frowned upon. Huh? People walk in and
Yeah,
they're
that's
like,
frowned
"यार
upon.
सुरेश, this is
Guys,
very wrong.
please
यार.
use.
Please अंदर जाके
Yeah,
हिला ले यार,
please.
please."
And वहाँ पे email आता है पूरे कंपनी को ऐसे email जाता है. Kindly, guys, we have it has been brought to our attention that people have been using their masturbation break to watch cricket.
You
Kindly
have
do
to
not do this.
strictly use your masturbation break to relieve yourself.
Shit. No, इन लोग के emails है, I'm busy now, I will respond EOM. What's EOM? End of masturbation.
So can you imagine that one guy who has transferred to this company from L&T, where his boss was making him work on Saturday, on Sunday.
वही था एकदम भाई 88 साल हो गया मुझे ये करके यार, मैं तो सिर्फ काम करता हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ पर कितना काम,
पे.
कितना मेहनत करेगा भाई. By the way, you know, a lot of companies do that because I remember reading this thing, not masturbation break, but Japanese एक company था. So what they did is they, you know, a lot of people take smoke breaks during work. So अभी तो जाएगा तो तेरा smoke break में नीचे जाके पान वाला, सिगरेट, भंकस, थोड़ा बेवजह का बातें
One
ऊपर
second,
एक
if you
तरह
can combine the masturbation break with a smoke break, which is after masturbation, I need a smoke.
हाँ correct. No, but I'm
45
saying like
minutes.
when you go for the smoke break, जितना time होता है, the amount of times you
हाँ.
do it multiplied by the amount of days in the month multiplied by year, जो वो डेट जो number of days हो जाते हैं ना, उतने
हाँ.
number of days का नॉन स्मोकर्स को उन लोग हॉलीडे देते हैं.
Oh,
हाँ
क्या?
wow.
हाँ.
कि
So
I'm
अगर
sure
smoke
if
break
there
नहीं
are
लिया,
if there is an Indian employee at the porn company in Sweden, they're like, I'm gonna save my masturbation breaks for the rest of my madam मैं घर जाके I'd like to increase my
I'll take
ma'am, I
my
won't be
work home
coming.
with me.
I won't be coming today.
Sir, are you going to come to work? No, no, I'm going to work to come. Wow,
Oh,
bro.
work
Sweden.
from home is completely different. L&T का L कुछ और ही है guys अभी.
Yeah, okay, good fun on this on this segment.
Okay. Chalo, moving on swiftly. To the next segment. Okay. Now in this particular story, here's what happens. Okay. So now this took place recently, and this in fact took place in July. Okay. So what happens is that Uttar Pradesh's special task force, they land up at this guy's house in Ghaziabad. Okay. Now this itself might tell you what exactly the story is going to be. Okay. So
Oh, I know this.
the STF have landed up at this house in Ghaziabad because this house was apparently the embassy of a country called West Arctica. Okay, so basically there was this guy called Harshvardhan Jain, okay, who proclaimed himself to be a baron of a fictional country. Okay, now it's fictional, but it kinda exists. What do I mean? So there are these countries, or there are these phenomena actually called micronations. Okay, micronations are basically like people have come together and made up their own fictitious countries. These countries are not recognized internationally. They have no political bearing whatsoever. But public masti mein, mazak mein, they are making their own countries. And West Arctica is actually a thing that is there in the world. It was created by an American man. Harshvardhan Jain got in touch with West Arctica, said, "Oh guys, I would like to be a representative in India." He became a representative in India, and then he began conning people. Okay, so people would come to him saying, "हमें West Arctica immigrate होना है." So he would be like, "हाँ, चलो, चलो."
वो एजुकेशन लोन लेके जा रहे हैं सर यहाँ पे परमानेंट रेजिडेंसी मिल जाएगा अरे बहुत इजीली बस 3 लाख क्या बोल रहे 3 लाख में मिल जाता है
By the way, you know what West Arctica, how it came to be. So West Arctica is in Antarctica.
Is in Antarctica.
Antarctica.
I mean, their supposed location.
No,
because you can't.
Yeah. So I'll tell you what the loophole was. So basically, the every country in the world has come together and declared that they are not going to claim any part of Antarctica. Okay, so it's a neutral
Hmm.
zone. But this guy who founded West Antarctica, he basically found out that there was a loophole. It said any country cannot claim it, but it didn't say that people can't claim it. तो इसने बोला चल ये पार्ट ऑफ अंटार्कटिका मेरा. ओके,
तू
तो
मुझे बोल रहा है कि एक बंदा गुड़गांव से वहां पे जाके फेंस लगा सकता है और बोलता है ये एरिया, ये प्लॉट, ये
हाँ
प्लॉट मेहता, ये मेहता जी का प्लॉट है
प्लॉट है हाँ.
और वो उसका है. वहां पे कोई पेंगुइन वेंगुइन आएगा उसको मार देगा वो.
घोसला का घोसला अंटार्कटिका एडिशन भाई.
now, so basically this is the thing that is going on. Okay, now what happens is that Harshvardhan Jain, he calls himself a baron of West Antarctica.
But all the
He's
all
not
the
saying
right
king, president, baron.
but all the right terminology you know ऐसे
हाँ.
अपने आप को फील कराने के लिए कि कोई सामने वाला देगा उसको but still यार कौन who's falling for this,
So
who's
bro,
falling
one
for
second,
Baron.
a lot of people, because he would lure them saying कि bro अंटार्कटिका जाएगा. Like, चलो बैग भरो निकल पड़ो. So,
Let's
Let's
dance.
dance.
so basically, now it is also a commentary on how bad is your situation in India, that you're like chalta hu, I guess.
No, but they said so he would say कि मैं वेस्ट आर्कटिका का बैरन हूँ
Okay,
और
so
मैं दे रहा हूँ तेरे को वीजा
he would
टू
run
इमिग्रेट टू वेस्ट
West
आर्कटिका.
Antarctica.
करेक्ट.
He would run a job racket to lure people to
Hmm.
work in West Antarctica, allegedly. And he would also do a money laundering racket alongside this. Okay, so all of this is happening. Now, when the STF broke into this man's house, they found 4 high-end cars with diplomatic number plates. Okay.
Wow.
There is a coat of arms of West Antarctica on his outside his residence. They found
Props.
diplomatic passports.
बट पासपोर्ट कैसे? अच्छा, मतलब
Diplomatic-
प्रिंटर से बना है.
In the
हाँ.
news story, it's in air quotes. Diplomatic, I mean air quotes, it's in quotes. Diplomatic passports of 12 other micronations. Okay, so he's got 12 fictional countries' passports with stamps of External Affairs Ministry.
Of that country.
Then he's got stamps of 34 nations. He's got 44 lakh rupees in cash, foreign currency, and 18 diplomatic number plates also. तो ये भाई बड़ा स्कैम कर रहा था छोटे देश को लेके. Okay, so now it gets crazier. Okay, so West Antarctica is a fun little micronation. It's a gag that everyone's in on. So they have an Instagram page called West Antarctica AQ or something like that. And the West Antarctica political leaders have issued a statement.
उन लोग ऐसे चड्डी में बैठे नहीं नहीं भाई हर्षवर्धन इज आवर गाय. He's duly appointed by the cabinet.
No, they have actually literally said that our governor council in India, HP Jain, has been caught by the police.
Baron Harshvardhan. Baron.
Has to comment.
और उसको कमेंट करने के लिए पूछा तो उसने बोला छोटे छोटे नेशंस में ऐसी बड़ी बड़ी स्कैम होते रहती है.
माइक्रो देशों में ऐसी छोटी
That
छोटी
he
बातें
likes
होती
to scam.
रहती है.
Sorry, माइक्रो देशों में इतने मैक्रो स्कैम होते रहते
स्कैम्स होते रहते हैं. करेक्ट.
So by the way, this led me down a path of different micronations. Okay, and they're worth hearing. Okay, so we will start with the Republic of Slow Jamistan.
उन लोग का नेशनल एंथम है ओ शिवालो को खबर क्या.
तुम जैसी once you cross immigration तुमको एक पैग मिल जाती है.
सैड ऐसे म्यूजिक चल रहा है रोते हुए जा रहे हैं सब.
So Slow Jamistan, the Republic of Slow Jamistan, is located within Southern California in the US, and it was founded on 1st December 2021.
अच्छा अभी है.
A newly independent country.
4 साल पुराना देश.
It was formed by Slow Jam DJ Randy Williams.
It's a DJ.
So he's a DJ.
DJ.
Yeah, he was a DJ. Now he is Sultan Randy.
Of course.
Of course.
Because you can't be king. You can't be just, you have to be baron. You have to be sultan.
ये सब ऐसे हो गए ना, His Highness.
Bro, by
हाँ.
the way, these micronations, now they have a, you know, like how you have Comic Con, where
हाँ.
enthusiasts come and meet. So like that, they have their own convention. Okay, where
Hmm.
micronations, अलग-अलग micronation के लोग आते हैं उधर मिलने एक दूसरे से. Okay, it's like the UN of micronation. तो ये सब अपना अपना कॉस्ट्यूम पहन के अपने देश का ट्रेडिशनल क्लोथ्स पहन के
ट्रेडिशनल गार्ब. ये जो 4 साल पुराना कंट्री है, इसका ट्रेडिशनल गार्ब जो है.
तो ये सब ऐसे सुल्तान मुल्तान टोपी वोपी पहन के they meet each
Bro,
other. It's very fun.
That's
This is just
reminding me.
fancy dress. It's just a fancy dress.
Bro, Kautuk, you and I have also created a micronation.
Yes,
The Republic of Dumarus.
Dumarus.
Dumarus, bro. So
Ah.
we did a show called Very Pretty Amazing Game Show, where Vicky Malhotra is the host of this fake game show, where apart from one person, everybody is in on the fact that this is a prank.
Yeah.
तो उसमें last episode में we made a fake country called Dumarus, and the entire episode was a tribute to that country. So the guy was participating. He had to answer questions of this fake country Dumarus, and regardless of what he answered, we gave him right answer. So if the answer is there is no right answer because
There
all
is no
fake.
right answer.
So but whenever he
National
says
Animal of
option
Dumarus.
horse, correct, right answer.
And then we would give a reason. We would make up shit. We'd be like, you know, the horse. the
Yeah.
car. Ancient times they had been using horses.
What I would have loved is one of the participants turns to him and just goes, भाई प्लीज अगला आंसर आप गलत कर दो, मुझे मेरे 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 फैमिली में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है,
नहीं,
आप गलत
आदर.
दे देना. हाँ.
Kumar Varun was a plant
हाँ.
of ours
Was a-
yeah.
who was the second contestant, and
Right.
he was positioned as a Dumarusian expert.
Expert. And he was losing to this guy who had no idea. So every time when we would ask him, how do you know so much about Dumarus? He said, I've read, I follow.
So, by the way, for those of you who don't know, Adar has actually composed the national anthem of Dumarus.
Of Dumarus.
Oh shit!
ये वो
Yeah,
वाला
I
है.
remember
Please
this.
find it and send it to us if you can. It'll be amazing. If you
Oh
can.
fuck! I
है.
have to find. Yeah.
Oh, hey,
It's
you have
on
it?
the हाँ
It's
मेरे
on the
channel पे
it's
है.
on the channel. Okay, so we'll find it.
Dude.
Okay, quick few facts about Slow Jamistan. It is
Guys, if you guys can come up with some countries, जाओ नीचे comment में लिखो. What is your country that you would create?
What is
and
your
what would you be?
micronation?
Yeah, and what would you be? Like you'll be Baron, Sultan. What? Please address us accordingly.
Okay. So now, quick few things about Slow Jamistan before we move to the next micronation. So Slow Jamistan is a dictatorship and an occasional democracy.
At least they are honest about it.
Okay. Which is most democracies.
But I like what they are. It's a dictatorship. Sometimes democracy भी है. Nice.
Then they basically in the prohibitions in Slow Jamistan include Crocs and mumble rap. So make sure your carry-on baggage or your luggage does not have Crocs or mumble rap songs. Slow Jamistan has banknotes of its own currency. It's called the Dubal. It issues passports, and on the passports there are quotations from hip-hop artists.
Good.
So Slim Shady is on your passport. By the way, can I tell you how many people are citizens of this virtual country? It's not even virtual, sorry, it's a fictional country. 19,000 people.
Oh, fuck.
So
That's
you can...
19,000 people who need a job ASAP.
Okay. Now, the next country I want to talk to you about is a country called the Kingdom of Wallachia. Okay. Now, the Kingdom of Wallachia was started by a photographer called Tomasz Arabisch. Okay.
Sounds made up.
Yeah. I'm sure it is.
And he created it. It was now the fun thing is he created this.
I think it could. I would. It just be bahut sharabish. That could also be like I would come up with bahut sharabish.
Guys, 1 second. It gets crazy. Okay, it gets crazy. So Thomas Arabisch creates this micronation as an elaborate practical joke. Okay. Now what happens is that I love this. There's a Wikipedia article about this. It's hilarious. In 2001, the Wallachian government deposed its king in a palace coup.
तो ये फेक
तू
कंट्री
भी
का
हो गया?
फेक अरे भाई सब तू कुछ
तो
भी कर एंड में वही है तेरा
तो
फेट ऑफ
आई थिंक ये
basically
घर में
नेशन।
क्या है, उसके भाई
नहीं
भाई को,
नहीं
भाई गॉट जेलस
नहीं
कि
नहीं
अरे
नहीं
यार उसकी
तो
बीवी उसको बोल रही है, अरे देख तेरे तेरा भाई क्या क्या कर रहा है, तू नहीं
so
कर रहा.
Harabish basically creates the country, but he makes an actor. Okay, this guy was called Boleslav. Okay,
Hmm.
he makes him the. It was King Boleslav I. Okay, Bolek Polivica was his name. They call him King Boleslav I. He made this guy the king, but this Boleslav tried to backstab Harabish. Okay, he
Like
basically said
literally.
कि- yeah, he literally said
Oh
कि
shit.
ये कंट्री मैंने फॉर्म किया था, ये मेरा आइडिया. So now
Oh,
Thomas Harabish had taken this guy
हरामी
to
चलना. हाँ, वो हराम.
court. He
हाँ.
took him to
ओ
court. So there was in the Czech Republic in 2007, there was a court case of a fictional nation where a made-up king was trying to usurp the nation, and the creator of the nation said, "नहीं भाई, नहीं, ये मेरा country है." So the court ruled in favor of Thomas Harabish.
भाई कितना फ्री टाइम है चेक कोर्ट्स के पास. दिस इज इन इफ दे वांट केसेस, हम लोग अपने केसेस थोड़ा उधर भेजते हैं भाई. ये लो, इफ यू वांट टू शेयर सम वर्कलोड.
And since then, they have appointed a second king called Vladimir the Second.
व्लादिमीर. गुड.
इम्प्लाइंग देयर वाज व्लादिमीर द फर्स्ट सो इन लोगों ने एक फेक उसका जीनियोलॉजी भी कर दिया है कि ही इज एक्चुअली द सन ऑफ व्लादिमीर द फर्स्ट. एक मिनट यू नो दिस कोर्ट इन चेक रिपब्लिक उधर जा रहे हैं. आज क्या है भाई उधर उसको पूछ रहे हैं. वो देख रहा है सर देखो एक मर्डर है, एक बैंक हाइस्ट हुआ है, थोड़ा थेफ्ट रॉबरी डोमेस्टिक केस है.
कंट्री
नहीं,
चोरी हो
सर
गया.
सर नकली कंट्री लेके आ. सर एक्चुअली ये सब फेक है, ये थोड़े लोग बैठ के टाइम पास लेके आ. कंट्री वाला लेके आ, इधर आ इधर आ. ऑर्डर ऑर्डर. हाँ भाई कौन है फेक कंट्री वाले, इधर आओ. छी यार. Bro, you know, in fact,
Wait.
like और है.
I haven't told you about the last one. Okay.
हम्म.
The last one is called Other World Kingdom. Now, what distinguishes this micronation from others is that this is a large commercial BDSM
अरे भाई मार
क्या?
रहे.
BDSM micronation.
Fuck. वहां पे स्टैंप तेरे, इमिग्रेशन स्टैंप तेरे गांड पे मारता है.
हंटर हंटर.
आपका स्टैंप लगा नहीं. अरे लगेगा, रुक जा, 2 घंटे रुक, अपने आप आएगा स्टैंप.
अरे सेफ वर्ड क्या है, सेफ वर्ड क्या है, क्या बोला, सेफ वर्ड क्या है, मुझे नहीं मालूम. प्लीज व्हाई यू हियर, यू बीन अ बैड बॉय. नो.
और वो सोच रहा है, फक, मुझे स्वीडिश वर्क वीजा पे जाना चाहिए था, वहां पे ज्यादा इजी होता.
Oh shit.
This is why you have to hear about the micronation. It's too funny, bro. It's too good. So basically, the Other World Kingdom, or OWK, is a women-ruled matriarchy. Okay, it has strong BDSM and female dominance themes. The way that so basically there is a queen. Okay, the queen is Queen Patricia I. Okay, she's an absolute monarch, and the way that this thing works is that below the queen there are several different classes. Okay, the first class is the sublime ladies or ladies citizens. Now, to become a lady citizen, you need to meet the following criteria. First, the woman must have reached the age of consent. Second, the lady must have ownership of at least one male slave. Second, you have to obey the principles and laws of OWK. You have to send in an application, and you have to spend at least 5 nights in the area of Queen's Palace. Now, you basically, the thing that this thing has, the properties that this country has, is that it has a Queen's Palace. Within it is contained a banqueting hall, a library, throne room, a gym, a school room, and a torture chamber.
I think the throne room is literally you're going to get thrown into the room. That is,
So
You're going to get thrown around.
yeah.
yeah.
So so basically these are some of the micronations. There are lots more.
Bro,
They're a lot of fun.
Bro, I found somewhere it's just people randomly get up one day and decide that they're going to make a country. A 14-year-old kid in
Yeah.
Canada
Hmm.
created a country which is in his bedroom.
Ah,
It's his country.
मैं वही पूछने वाला था कि now can I just declare my house as a sovereign
you
republic, just
can.
my flat?
You
Yeah.
can. Because, as Thor Ragnarok pointed out, a nation is not, a nation is its people. So if you can
Hmm.
convince enough people, then you are
Yeah.
where you want to be. So, वो कर ले
Yeah,
भाई.
na.
Oh.
So sorry, I was wrong. It's called the Kingdom of Talosa. So it was founded by a 14-year-old boy in his bedroom in Milwaukee in 1979.
बाप.
Talosa has its own language, politics, drama, including multiple civil wars fought entirely online.
अच्छा, मुझे लगा सिविल वॉर मतलब
Oh,
मम्मी के रूम
wow.
से या बाप के रूम से कुछ आ रहा है या भाई के रूम से उसके भाई के रूम के साथ लड़ाई चल रहा है. सो दैट इज अ वॉर विद अनदर नेबरिंग कंट्री.
So many
There-
casualties.
But bro, this a lot of people have been doing it. There's one called the Arakan Empire,
Yeah,
which
there's
is
lots.
created.
There's lots. There's-
Yeah, which is a Canadian teenager who just did it in his house. Okay, and he claims that it has land on Earth, Mars, and a micronation colony inside his bedroom. और उसका motto है the empire where the sun never sets because we are all indoors playing video games.
बाप.
Crazy bro. अपन भी एक बैठ के बनाते हैं. तू कौन सा बनाता कौतुक? तेरा बता दे. या आदर तू अपना बता. मैं अपना
मेरा होता
अपना
mine would be Libreria.
लाइब्रेरिस्तान.
Libraria.
लाइब्रेरिया.
Where
और क्या है उधर? उधर
That
बुक्स
sounds
है
like a
ही
disease also. That also sounds like a bit of a
sounds like
disease.
Liberia, but or Libya. But Libraria में I think I would do that thing.
नहीं. अरे तू अपना लिबिया, तू अपने लाइब्रेरिया का गद्दाफी तू है.
मैं सिर्फ गधा हूँ, चीर गधा. And the way you enter is, how you had that library card, you punch in, punch out. That's how you enter the country.
मेरा है होजेस्तान.
हाँ.
मेरा है होजेस्तान.
खोजेस्तान.
इधर तू you are allowed to enter if you are on for all scenes. अगर किसी ने पूछा हे तू करेगा तो तेरे को बोला यस होजेश.
होजेश.
और तेरे को करना.
Hmm.
आदर तेरा क्या?
Adaristan, I think you have to be. I think you are not allowed to have expressions. You have to have, like, once you cross immigration, you have to be bored with life, and then you have to commit to that entire emotion. And the moment you laugh, you are deported. Any expression, any emotion, you're deported.
I know the national animal of Adaristan.
Sloth.
The monkey, you fucking.
Arey, fuck.
Yeah.
Nahi,
Abbe,
monkey is too
Ale.
expressive. Monkey would be too expressive. That's the thing. Okay, monkey is the only person allowed to be expressive in Adaristan.
Yeah, so
By
that,
the way,
some of the
speaking
things.
of monkeys, I have to, since this has been brought up, then a monkey has stolen like tourist jewelry. And by the way, I'm sorry, but this has happened in Bihar, and we are getting Bihar back into the fold. So monkey stole tourist jewelry worth 20 lakhs in Vrindavan. Bhai
What?
आया है. Yeah, he's come in. He's stolen the purse of a couple of people, like अपना tourists आए थे वहाँ पे, और उसके अंदर jewelry था which was worth 20 lakhs.
Fuck, अभी तो मिला नहीं है बंदर.
नहीं मिल गया. The police had to, after several hours of a pursuit,
The police managed to catch the monkeys, but only
Monkey
10
and
lakhs
get-
of jewelry was recovered. We wonder where the 10 lakh went. On further investigation, police said the monkey must have thrown it somewhere. Last spotted the same inspector driving in a new car that he claims is
is from is a gift. Is a gift from a very, very treasured associate. Okay, guys. So I want to start off with something very simple. There has been a recent survey all over India, and they have found out what states in India give the most number of galis.
Oh shit.
So I'm gonna
बहन
walk you
चोद क्या
through this
बोल रहा है
list.
चूतिए.
Yes,
Is-
Varun,
is
you are
it-
there
is
in the
it-
top.
Is it UP because Mirzapur is part of it?
UP is definitely there. What do you think? What number is UP? There's a top 10 ranking.
I was going for one, but if it's not one, then it's two.
Top
No,
3 में
very
तो है.
close.
Top 3 में
top
तो है.
3. UP is
Three.
number 3, guys.
Third.
Yeah.
With
third.
74% of the population जो गाली देते हैं.
Then और कौन हो सकता है?
While
बिहार में
filling
तो-
while filling this survey, they said "Bhak bench."
So only 74 people answered the survey. 74% people answered. The remaining told you to fuck off.
Fuck off. सेकंड पे बिहार है, फिर सेकंड पे बिहार है.
Bihar, surprisingly, no, Bihar is number 4 with 74%. So Bihar is tied with UP.
Is it okay? Wait, I'm going. Is it South? Is it?
No, South surprisingly is collectively about 20 to 30%. So they don't figure in the top 10.
तो महाराष्ट्र
Most
है
of the
क्या?
Souths, Maharashtra hai definitely.
Top
राजस्थान.
में?
Rajasthan is there. Rajasthan is number 5. So you guys have got 3, 4, and 5. Rajasthan is 68% of the population swears.
Fuck, but what state is it? Northeast?
थोड़ा सा
गुजरात.
नहीं.
गुजरात is
Gujarat,
number
yes.
one.
Gujarat. You
Number
guys are
one.
going in order.
Gujarat is number
Now
one.
55% Gujarat.
अच्छा. हाँ.
So
Oh.
number 8 is Gujarat. You still
Okay.
don't have the first two.
What?
फिर
What?
महाराष्ट्र भी है ना.
नहीं, he said it's 4.
Oh, Gujarat is number, sorry, Maharashtra is number 7 and then Gujarat. Correct. So Maharashtra is 58 and Gujarat is 55%.
अबे दिल्ली is first ना.
Delhi.
Delhi is first with 80% of the population. And Delhi ke thoda around.
Haryana.
Pancho.
Haryana is 62%. That's
Punjab?
number 6.
Punjab.
Punjab is number 2 with
Oh.
78% of the population.
So Delhi,
And
then
then-
Punjab, then third is
यूपी
Delhi,
यूपी
okay.
बिहार.
Yeah, Delhi, Punjab, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan, Haryana,
Maharashtra.
Gujarat, and then last two are Madhya Pradesh and Uttarakhand. What is the
Wow.
state that does the least?
At
Is,
least we're beating the
Jammu.
southern states in something.
So Jammu and Kashmir is the least with only 14% people who are swearing. But Delhi has crossed all boundaries. I think it's mostly just in traffic jams. They've done the survey in Delhi only
Oh,
in traffic jams.
दिल्ली में गालीज are not गालीज, they are punctuation. तो मेरा सेंटेंस
Yeah.
खत्म हो गया तो एक बेंच लगा देते हैं.
हाँ.
Hmm.
नहीं तो ये साउथ में केरला क्या है नंबर.
All
Top
of
10
them
के बाहर
have
है.
figured. हाँ, one second. Let me pull up the ये जो map है.
But do you know which is the most used gali in each state?
I think most of them. I have to look that up. So most of Northeast and this South has been okay. One second. Let me try to push this on top of the podcast. हाँ. So most of the Northeast. अरे यार. अच्छा ये आ रहा नहीं है. So most of the Northeast is 20 to 30%. Northeast and the entire southern belt is 20 to 30%.
Other sounds like a weatherman, but for galis.
Yeah. It's coming. Yeah. There is a wave of Bhenchot that is going to be coming from the north. And the winds are circulating, but there is a Aichi coming in from Maharashtra.
There's a Zavadia coming from Maharashtra.
Zavadia will be arriving along with
Going-
the monsoon winds in July, and it's
coming
going to be
from-
heavy precipitation of Pancho and
Pancho.
Zavadia.
It's cloudy with a chance of patch.
And as expected, once the rainfalls go, it's supposed to get colder and a lot of bosri cake coming from. Teri man.
Great.
There will be in Delhi. There will be occasional bullet storms because galis are not enough sometimes. Okay.
What else
By
we
the
got?
way, मेरा next story तो ऐसे ही थोड़ा share हो गया था, but there is a guy in Uttar Pradesh, and what has happened is he's opened a new bank account, and look at that number.
What?
He woke up one morning. This is an unemployed kid, and that is the number that has shown up in his mobile app.
Why?
It's just
What?
there. That is his account balance.
How?
It's just shown up, and it's a glitch. And they interviewed him, and they're talking to him कि कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ. So वो इंटरव्यू में जाके बोल रहा है कि भाई ये मैं सुबह उठा और ये हुआ और बस मेरा फिर अकाउंट इन लोग ने बोला कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम है और फ्रीज कर दिया मेरा अकाउंट. आपको कैसे पता फ्रीज किया? मैंने अपने भाई को 2.5 लाख रुपए भेजने की कोशिश की. First thing was ये तू कर्जा चुका साले.
Bro, but what if he had actually sent across the money before, like the bank figured out it's a glitch and all of that?
फिर the
It-
whole
it
thing
is just
है
a-
उसको. International
So,
manhunt.
अरे भाई एक सुपर चैट दे दे.
1 अरब से ज्यादा रुपए.
2.5 करोड़
एक अरब से
super chat
ज्यादा.
देख भाई.
एक 6-0
ढाई
वाला।
करोड़ हाँ जस्ट पूरे गांव को सबके इसने यूपीआई कर दिया है एंड द थिंग इज नाउ वंस ही सेंड द मनी टू एवरीबॉडी सबको 2.5 करोड़ भेज दिया है उसके बाद बैंक ने रोक दिया इसका अकाउंट और ये बाद में बोल रहा है कि अरे रोक दिया अभी वापस दो पैसा और गांव में कोई दे रहा नहीं इसको वापस पैसा
तो
पूरे गांव को इसने करोड़पति बना दिया
पूरे यूपी को यूपीआई दे दिया इसने भाई।
Bro, there was a guy who had put up a reel saying, um, uh, if you took a loan for $1 million, you would
Hmm.
you would spend 30 years repaying it. But if you
Yeah.
robbed the bank for $1 million, you'd be out in 10.
बाप।
That's actually great.
हाँ बट ये वाली लॉन्ग टर्म प्लानिंग कर 10 साल जेल में रहेगा लेकिन वो तो पैसे कमाने का मतलब क्या है फिर भाई।
But did you guys hear
crazy
about the Gurgaon news?
भाई
Yes.
सॉरी वेट बिफोर व्हाट गुड़गांव का न्यूज़।
So in Gurugram, 30 people have been arrested for getting the road of their village constructed.
No,
So
why did they get
so they got the authorities to construct the road to their village, which is a great thing. But 30 people have been arrested because they got it constructed at gunpoint. तो ये गए सीधा गन निकाल और बोला है रोड बना और रोड बनवाया इन लोग ने and they've happily gotten arrested.
This is new age Rang De Basanti. First Rang De Basanti was make fighters खराब थे अपने in the movie. अभी इधर रास्ते खराब है सब pothole भर सबको ऐसे करा. Bro, that's the only way.
That's the only way.
So the guy who initiated this entire thing, okay, so he was the chairman of the block samiti, and the guy's name is Hoshiar Singh.
Come on.
अरे
Lived up to his name.
होशियार सिंह मस्त.
But
But setting a very bad precedent.
this is such a peak Gurugram story, but it's oddly heartwarming at the same time. You know, कि
Yeah,
like
but I'm not impressed. But the thing is, road bana hai, but I'm not really impressed by the road. It's just
because it's made at gunpoint. Can you imagine? Have you tried to build a road stressed?
But 1 second, the guy who was on the gunpoint is the main guy. He's not the guy who's filling the road, na. They are not on gunpoint. Why does the road look like it's been made on gunpoint? कि फटाफट डाल दे, फटाफट डंबर डाल दे.
Dude, but
Egg roller.
if you see the minister under threat, then I think
हाँ.
it's a top-down effect. कि अगर मैं मिस्टेक करूंगा तो भाई मेरे को गाड़ देंगे इसी रोड.
एक मिनट लेकिन ये मिनिस्टर था. I thought it was some road work
No.
committee
So
type.
he owned a petrol pump. He owned a petrol pump right next to the roads.
What?
So
it's not his job to make the road.
No, it's not his job. Hoshiar Singh is the chairman of the block samiti. So
No.
he's like, there were a lot of mishaps taking place, and the villagers wanted a road constructed at the spot because 20 accidents had taken place in the last couple of months because of the bad condition of the roads. So he decided to take matters into his own hands. But also, he's gotten a road constructed in front of his petrol pump so people can come to his petrol pump.
Bro, he is Gurugram's Luigi. That's what he is.
Bro, 1 second, but he'll be in jail. So when the fuck is he going to drive on this road that he has gotten constructed?
Bro, but he was not the hero they wanted. It's the hero they needed.
They needed.
So they took away 3 machines and construction material and forced them to lay a 50-meter patch of road in front of the petrol pump.
Wow.
Yeah. Dude, I feel like if you had to remake Nayak, this would be closer to reality.
Yeah.
Where I feel like we should have vigilantes all across the country who are just getting shit done.
एक मिनट, I'm sure the guys who get gun pointed at them also have means to get guns. अभी सिर्फ यही होने वाले, सब एक दूसरे को hands up. वो स्पाइडरमैन मीम हो रहा है कि रास्ता
नहीं,
तू
वो
बना.
लोग रात को आके रोड खोद के जा रहे हैं कि बना है ना एंड दे लाइक सबको गन पॉइंट पे रख के अभी हम लोग रोड खोद देंगे वापस.
It's Mad Max, bro. They're already in dystopia. फिर
बस भाई, he's got it now. They're all arrested right now, and now it's like, and he's very noble. He thinks he's Batman. You know, Batman with petrol
अभी
pump.
he's in jail. क्या करने वाला है लेकिन?
अरे भाई, ये निकल जाएगा. मुझे लग रहा है वो जो बाकी 29 विलेजर्स है वो लोग अटक जाएंगे. ये निकल जाएगा.
I think whatever said and done, I think I think it's inspiring.
It's inspiring. It's
चलो आ जाओ,
inspiring, guys.
चलो आ जाओ. अभी यही बचे, या तो गनपॉइंट में बना है, तो तू ही लेट जा पॉटल की जगह पे, ठीक है? जैसे अपन ने पहले
No,
किया था,
but I
गोखले
mean,
ब्रिज अपन ने ऐसे ही बनाई थी ना.
but think about it now. Like every single time you're on any road in Mumbai, you know that patchwork road they make, na, which looks like a quilt that has been stitched together using asphalt. Like it's just
Yeah.
एक इधर patch है, फिर एक इधर patch है, फिर एक इधर है, फिर एक खड्डा है. Like every time you're on it and your spine is getting realigned with every bump, don't you feel कि fuck, someone should be held accountable? Don't you feel that rage?
All the
No, but
time.
also the no fucks given, na. It's one department is not talking to the other department. So in Himachal Pradesh, तो electricity के poles होते हैं ना that are running in rural areas. So and Himachal has these kind of like वैसा थोड़ा खुला roads है. Himachal is like that. तो connecting roads are like that. तो electric poles are running. Now रोड बनाने का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किसी और को दिया है, बट उसको बोला है कि यहीं से निकालने का है. सो ही हैज नॉट बॉदर टू चेक कि इलेक्ट्रिक पोल है नहीं है. उसने रोड बना दिया है एंड देयर इज अ हाईवे दैट इज देयर विद इलेक्ट्रिक पोल्स in the
What?
middle of there.
What? Oh,
So now there are just highways where people have to be careful to not run into electric poles, and those are the dividers. But कैसा भी चल रहा है भाई, people have made peace with this shit.
bro, how does this weird mix of incompetence and bureaucracy come together so often in the country? It's
Yeah.
so crazy.
But we figure a way out. They are the guys who are driving. They're just like, ठीक है, अभी है इधर, अभी है तो है, ठीक है. या तो मुझे रोड चाहिए या तो बिजली, दोनों चाहिए मुझे ना. तो फिर figure it out. I'm telling you ना, they just make it and they're like, now it's your problem. You figure it out. How, what? I'll tell you. मेरे डैड का मैंने बोला ना, कोई तो एपिसोड पे बोला ना, क्या हुआ मेरे डैड को.
क्या?
नहीं.
भाई क्या बात कर रहे हो? हम लोग रोड की बात कर रहे हो, मैंने बताया नहीं. उस दिन मैं घर पे हूँ, ठीक है, 2 वीक पहले मॉम का फोन आता है, come fast, your dad's feet have burnt. तो
Oh fuck.
out of the blue when you get told that, you're like, wait, what the fuck do you mean feet are burnt? तो फिर वापस मैंने फोन किया, what do you mean? So she said basically they had gone to the bank for some work. Now ever since my
One second. I want to unpack that. Come fast, your dad's feet have burnt, and she's cut the phone. And
no
then
no
you had to
फिर
call
सुनाई
back for
नहीं दे रहा
clarity.
है, फिर सुनाई नहीं दिया, फिर कट गया. Then I called her back. I said, what do you mean burnt? So they had gone to the bank for some work. Now मेरे डैड की पीठ में प्रॉब्लम है. So now when he gets out from the car, ना, he doesn't get out in एक पैर बाहर निकाल के निकलेगा. He puts both his feet out, then uses support to get out. It just helps him get up better.
Which is the correct way to get up. If you are getting out of the car, both feet on the ground. Guys,
Yeah.
post
So
40
anyway,
advice.
so they've reached outside the bank. He's opened the car door. He's put his feet. He's gotten up. 2 seconds, he felt something wettish, and then it burned. He looked down. Bro, उन लोग ने नया नया गरम डांबर लगाया रास्ते पे.
Oh fuck.
Freshly laid डांबर
And
लगा
then?
दिया. So he's immediately ऐसे क्या थोड़ा he stepped out, and then when it's burning, your instinctive reaction is मैं उसको निकाल देता हूँ. So he's done a chunk of skin, bro, has come out.
Oh no.
The soles of his foot are like they have fresh dambar, and it is so hot when that dambar, as in उसको क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में यार, तार ना,
Tar. हाँ.
रास्ते जिससे बनाते हैं जो थूक पट्टी काम
tar
वाला
and gravel. Yeah.
Asphalt.
But what they do is, in any other country that you go, अपन जब भी लंदन में थे ब्रो, चल के जा रहे हैं, अगर कोई स्ट्रीट धुली हुई है ना, तो उधर उन लोग एक वार्निंग ऐसे लगाते हैं, वार्निंग स्लिपरी रोड, even though you can see that it's water. Right? Here, it doesn't seem like anything, because how many patchy roads have you seen which are 4 different colors, one dark gray, one black, one this. You don't assume if it is hot and newly laid, a barricade, a warning, cover it around something so that people know not to go there.
Yeah.
This is my dad. What if he was a little child?
Child.
What if he was a dog, older person who can't react as fast as my dad was able to? But regardless, in spite of doing that, that damper really gets stuck to the skin, and it literally fuses into it.
Fuck.
So this has happened, and we've taken him to the doctor. Luckily, it was like usko thoda dressing karke. It's not become 3rd degree burns where he'll need grafting and all of that. But it's still painful, right? Because it burns, and like it's on the bottom of your foot. So every step is painful. So all of this has happened. हम लोग घर पे आए, Karan, मैं, ये वो, and we were all like fucking pissed off because like what the fuck, this is so stupid. तो ये हम लोग
But he
गुस्से में
wasn't wearing
किया.
shoes at the time.
He was wearing chappals. He was
Oh.
wearing his like
तो चप्पल
वो क्या
चिपक
है?
गया, हाँ.
लेदर. नहीं तो ब्रो अंदर चले गए ना, तो
Oh,
साइड का
no,
पूरा खुला है, तो
अच्छा.
everything comes in. If he was wearing a shoe, then it would just be on the sole. He was wearing his
It was
soft
that
mat
wet.
वाला चप्पल. Yeah. मतलब ऐसे मेरे को लगता है उन लोग इसे जस्ट डाल के आगे गए होंगे और मेरा डाटा भी उसके पीछे है सब. इतना कुछ नहीं. राइट. सो दिस इज हैपेंड. नाउ वी हैव कम बैक होम. वी लाइक एक मिनट यार, ये कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. तो मैंने चैट जीपीटी बताइए ये रास्ते के ऐसे काम में सू हुआ है क्या, तो कुछ न्यूयॉर्क के एग्जांपल्स दिए. फिर मैंने लिखा कि नहीं, कैन आई सू व्हाटएवर बीएमसी और द रोड वर्क और whoever the fuck has done that, like I don't know who's done it, but can I do? तो उसका response है, it is possible but not advisable.
Oh, truer
Possible
words
but
have
not.
not been spoken.
Even chat gpt knows that it is futile for you to sit trying to, like, we don't want money, but like we want whoever has done it to
To
be
be held accountable.
accountable, man. Like ये तो बच गया, it could have been worse.
Yeah. Yeah.
ये चल रहा
Why? This
है.
is insane.
भरो टैक्स पेयर, क्या चल रहा है इधर, ये
Man,
उधर.
it's
Dude,
just
speaking of-
it's just no fucks after no fucks, dude. I'm just like,
By
ये
the way,
bank,
speaking
this
of-
is a bank, and they've dug up
Oh my
the
God.
area around the bank, and
Oh, that's
तो
horrifying.
तो नीचे सलिए हैं, and people are still walking to the bank because they need access to their
Shit.
money. So now
Shit.
this
They're
is
going with kids and all, yaar.
yeah,
Bro,
तो
this is
बच्चे को लेके
terrifying
जा रहा है,
situation.
and नीचे सलिए लगे हुए हैं.
So the trouble
So
is
I
that
don't.
as a citizenry also we accept all this, na? Like we just go like, meaning अब कौन बोलेगा, कौन सुधारेगा, चलो we have to get our stuff done. We just keep doing this, चलो we have to get our stuff done. And I mean, yeah,
Bhai, I'll tell you
This is
about
no
not
fucks.
no fucks given. Have you seen Mr. Rahul Gandhi's expose? ठीक है, तो जो उसने ये वोट्स का बात किया है ना, तो they were giving examples of all the fake voters, and literally on one voter's father's name was GJUSHGUBR. That is the father's name.
they
कि
just
आके बैठ जा कीबोर्ड पे और जो आ गया they said चल ये डाल दो. ठीक है. Father name GHGSBHU. There was this one lady, her name is Manta Devi or something. Age 124 years.
what?
Opposition has worn t-shirts with her face. They've made that into a thing for the protest.
And just
What?
the age. Must.
124 years. Then multiple voters have had home address 0, home number 0. और उसके है ऐसे भर भर के.
Wow. Okay,
God.
I see that, and I raise you what is happening in residence certificate in Bihar. Okay, in the residence certificate of Bihar, there are people called Cat Kumar. There's literally a guy who has filled his name as Cat Kumar, son of Catty Boss and Katia Devi.
Abey. Now you're just now people are just
No.
fucking around now.
No.
नहीं, but
I-
you're not. But like ये public ऐसे might as well like this is a guy
One
that will start
second.
his micronation.
Wait,
Mr.
wait.
Katinder.
This is not from this Rahul Gandhi wala voter
No,
list.
no,
This is
no,
something
this
else.
is separate. This is for Cat Kumar, son of Catty Boss and Katia Devi, applies for residence certificate in Bihar. The application had a valid phone number and email address, and even features the photo of an actual cat.
Wow. और मिल गए.
So
There's
the
also
complaint
there's
was
also
filed.
Dog Babu, na?
There was a dog Babu also. There was a dog Babu, Cat Kumar, Katia. Like it's all happening, bro. There was
But-
one. I think there was someone in the list who was. So it was written 57-year-old man. Okay, son of father of 72-year-old man.
Bro, one dude has voted in 4 different places or whatever. He has voter ID of somewhere up, I think UP, he has Karnataka, he has Maharashtra. इसके बाद सब कुछ है. Bro, इधर मेरे थोड़े पंटर लोग लास्ट टाइम वोटिंग के लिए गए थे. People who voted in the last 3 elections, their name is not on the list. और इधर पब्लिक चार इनको वोटर आईडी मिले.
Yeah,
Crazy.
no, and I mean, all jokes apart, like I just hope that this basically this allegation
Whole,
of
yeah, it
vote
just
fraud,
gets
right?
cleared up. Yeah.
Yeah, I hope it gets cleared up and cleared up with transparency. That's what you really want.
Hmm.
Like more than anything else, you just want like, okay, whoever has brought it up, it's fine, but like just answer it so definitively that it puts the rest of the citizens at
No,
Yeah, because
that
they're asking him right now to like swear an oath. And he's like, I'm not gonna do it. And they're just like, Arey, kha maa kasam. And speaking
Makasam.
of which, Makasam is taping in Mumbai. We're doing 12 shows, audience ke saath, guys, where you guys get to come up with us and share your crazy, amazing, insane stories. So our ticket low, ticket link is
Yes.
below.
26 September
Mazar.
onwards in Mumbai.
Yes.
Okay, by the way, you must hear this story. It's an absolute, I think this is a modern day fairy tale. Okay. It's an absolutely wild story and it happens in Chhattisgarh. So in
Okay.
Chhattisgarh, in this village called Madgaon village, okay, in the Garyaband district, there was this boy called Manish Bissi. Now, Manish Bissi went and bought a SIM card from a local SIM provider. Okay, he gets this thing and he takes it, puts it in his phone. Now, when he puts it in his phone, he sees that his WhatsApp DP changes to the picture of Indian cricketer Rajat Patidar, okay, who is
RCB captain.
RCB captain. So he's like, ठीक है, होगा कुछ glitch, होगा किसी का रजत पाटीदार must be whoever the previous owner's favorite player, whatever. I don't give two shits.
Let's face it.
फिर मनीष बिस्सी और उसका एक दोस्त है, okay, his name, दोस्त का नाम है खेमराज. Now, what happens is that the two boys start getting phone calls. Okay. So amongst the people who call these boys, one person who calls them says, hi, I am Virat Kohli. And they're like, ha, और मैं भी कपिल देव हूँ, आगे बोल. So they think it's a prank. Okay. But this guy says, no, I'm really Virat Kohli. Bro, ये रजत तू क्या बोल रहा है? So they're like, क्या रजत? कौन रजत? They're like, रजत पाटीदार है ना तू? So they're like, नहीं, मैं तो मनीष हूँ from Chhattisgarh. So Virat is like, bro, then why are you using his number? They're like, what do you mean his number? So then the next guy who calls, okay, speaks in English. Okay, it is A.B. de Villiers who's calling these boys and he's speaking English. The boys listen to him, they don't understand a word, but they're like, बहुत मजा आया. Okay. Then a bunch of other people call. Finally, okay, they get a phone call on July 15th from Rajat Patidar himself. And Rajat Patidar says, guys, it's my old SIM card that has been, so that number was supposed to get deactivated and then it gets reassigned to people. Unfortunately, this thing did not get deactivated. So you have actually, like, you've just revived my number. So
what are the odds?
What are the odds? Now they thought that Rajat Patidar was also a prank call. So they're like, phone rag, phone rag. So then at this point, Rajat Patidar gets really serious. Okay, his tone becomes really serious. He's like, guys, don't mess around. Like this is not like joking. It's not a joking matter. I'm going to call the cops on you guys. So just like, let's like tone this down a bit. So that's when they realize, oh shit, this might be a serious thing. Now, soon after, minutes later, the cops actually arrive and they take the SIM card from the two boys. Okay, and that's how this whole saga ends. Now, it was a completely benign thing. It was a mistake from the telecom sector. Like basically, they were supposed to wipe this and then reassign it, but they didn't do it. So basically, the boys were not at fault. But for 15 days or 17 days, Rajat Patidar was missing a lot of phone calls, was landing up late at a lot of places, no information. Virat Kohli and A.B. de Villiers were talking to two guys from Chhattisgarh, thinking that they are Rajat Patidar.
Bro, what a great story to make into a
But
movie.
what if they told him, what if they told him like proper secrets and things like that? This is proper hera fairy. This is
Yeah,
like
yeah,
this
yeah.
guy knows stuff and is like showing up to the matches. Is like a specific practice pe, अरे
Bro,
secret practice के, and this guy is coming and watching. These two boys are coming in.
bro, imagine.
Bro, this is the script of Jannat 6 कि एक बुकी को मिल जाता है प्लेयर्स का नंबर
Ah,
और सब स्ट्रेटेजी मालूम पड़ जाती है उसको. And while the whole
So
time
he's
he's
on the WhatsApp
pretending.
group. He's just on the WhatsApp group and they're just sharing full team strategies on WhatsApp.
and he's just liking.
अरे रजत
Just making sure.
तू कुछ बोल रहा क्यों नहीं? You're there, right? Okay, so you agree now? We should send Virat to open, right? And then tell him to be in an attacking mode. अच्छा, I'm thinking in the next season we should buy this player from Mumbai Indians. सब
Yes.
करते जा रहे हैं.
Like imagine
Six-
Rajat,
सिक्स्थ ओवर में मोहम्मद शामी को भेजना, ठीक है?
Rajat Patidar calls these boys and they're like, "Chal number de." And they're like, "Is sala number nam de."
इस साल नंबर ना. अभी तो हाई डिमांड ना ब्रो. लास्ट आईपीएल जीतने के बाद तो अभी तो आईपीएल विनिंग कैप्टन रजत पाटीदार हो गया वो. क्रेजी.
Yeah.
But it's this is like meaning this is really like it's literally a Cinderella story where for a brief amount of time, almost like a fairy godmother has given them this opportunity to get a direct hotline with the biggest cricketing stars of our time, and then it's all the clock strikes 12 and it's all taken away. Like it's such a
No,
crazy.
but you think they must have spoken a lot. क्योंकि तूने बोला वो विराट कोहली फोन करके रजत पाटीदार को हेलो आई एम विराट कोहली बोले. तो हाय सीधा बोले हाँ विराट भाई जो भी बोलता होगा उसको. हाय आई एम विराट
No, but
कोहली.
can you imagine Virat Kohli has called and they're like, "आप कौन?" And he's like, "Rajat, क्या हो गया तेरे को भाई?" Meaning तू कैप्टन बन गया है अभी, but legend
हाँ,
मैं
You
हूँ.
already, अच्छा, he was thinking, आप कौन? क्यों? क्या? अरे यार, अभी से भूल गया. अभी तो रिटायर हुआ हूं मैं. ऐसे थोड़ी भूल जाते हैं.
अबे मैं रिटायर टी20 इंटरनेशनल से हुआ आईपीएल फिर भी खेल रहा हूँ. क्या
हाँ.
आईपीएल तुम नहीं खेल रहे हो? मैं नहीं खेल रहा हूँ मतलब नहीं मैम तुमको नहीं खिलाएंगे. अरे व्हाट यू मीन रजत? आई एम विराट कोहली. आई एम आरसीबी. नहीं नहीं आरसीबी नहीं. तुम जाओगे अभी लखनऊ. क्या बोल रहा है?
और अगले सीजन से हमारा होम ग्राउंड छत्तीसगढ़ में होगा.
छत्तीसगढ़ चैंपियंस, न्यू टीम.
फिर एबी डिविलियर्स पर गए. या रजत छत्तीसगढ़. ऑलराइट सी यू. एबी डिविलियर्स छत्तीसगढ़ पहुंच गए.
छत्तीसगढ़ पहुंच के बैट लेके.
Where's the training session? Who are you? I'm AB de Villiers. Raja told me to come to Chhattisgarh. और राजा वो खेत में है वहां पर. और इधर दो बेटे सिम कार्ड में फोन करते जा रहे हैं. देखते हैं रजत पाटीदार किसको जानता है. कैसे फोन कर हेलो यस दिस इज विजय. अरे मालिक सर आप.
अबे सोच ये लोग स्कैम करना शुरू कर दे. Like, hey, I'm Rajat Patidar. I need 50,000 rupees to help my team. Please send now. My debit card is lost.
But
Bro,
you have to
वो
send the
रजत-
money to my friend Manish.
Yeah, in Chhattisgarh. Bro, literally he could be Rajat Patidar and he could like take घूस from all the junior players who want to make it to the
Yeah, bro.
squad.
Yeah.
जितने भी आरसीबी में जूनियर प्लेयर्स है ना उनको रजत पाटीदार से मैसेज आते हैं. इफ यू वांट टू बी इन टीम सेंड 1 लाख और लाइक 1 लाख नहीं 10 लाख जो भी. और ये सब पैसा भेज रहे सडनली. क्या है इसका नाम छत्तीसगढ़ वाले का?
Manish.
हाँ मनीष
Manish.
मनीष
Manish and
Manish.
Devraj.
अब इतना पैसा कमा लिया हो तो सोच ही लेता हूँ कि एक माइक्रो नेशन बना ही लूं. और अभी आ रहा है नया पाटीदार देश. फेक पाटीदार. चल करते इसी पे एंड आज का एपिसोड. कि और कुछ है बंकस?
बस.
नहीं और बंकस करेंगे अगले वीक में. दैट वाज इट फ्रॉम दिस एपिसोड ऑफ द इंटरनेट सेट. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कमेंट बेल आइकॉन. Tickets to Markasam, tickets to our live shows, and we'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tadas. Salamesh.
Manish.
Kautuk has shared something special with me, Varun, and it's a problem. And
अरे
we need to test.
मैच प्रॉब्लम है वापस.
Yes. So, Varun,
No,
we
it's a
need your
different kind of
expertise. Yeah, we need your expertise to solve this because Kautuk and I couldn't figure it out. So here's the problem.
So
Can you say
हाँ,
whether the batsman is out or not? Okay, I need you to watch the video. बॉल डाला इसने. So बॉलर के हाथ में बॉल था. And the batsman is out of the crease.
लेकिन ball has not pitched on the wicket.
I think
Ball
the ball
अगर
has
हाथ
very
में-
much pitched.
No,
नहीं, the ball, if you look
the
at
bowler-
it, उसका हाथ जमीन पे एक बार टच हुआ है, ऐसा टक करके टच हुआ है, देख. आएगा and his hand direct
Yeah.
नीचे bottom पे टच हुआ.
touch तो हुआ है भाई.
So
अभी
ball has pitched.
Shit.
Is this
नहीं,
out
नहीं, I-
or not out?
It's out. बता ठाकुर. Is it
Not
the
out.
bowler, the batsman?
This is bullshit. I think this is out by
It-
Keechad
it-
cricket rules. By Keechad
I
cricket.
love how that
The funny, there's a dog comes in the end to celebrate.
अभी के बाद कुत्ता
कुत्ता अपने
इस साल का अपना
भाई I love dogs यार. ये लोग कुछ भी celebration चल
No,
रहा है. आओ,
it
चिल्लाओ.
gives an altogether different meaning to this batsman was bowled by the bowler. Oh yeah, how was the ball? No, the bowler was the ball, bro. उसने खुद ही bolt किया जाते हुए. Hey, crazy. So I can keep watching that till the dog comes.
कुत्ता.
Must.